The Ugreen Nexode, your delightful desk companion that adds an extra dose of convenience and charm to your daily life. This compact gadget efficiently charges your devices at remarkable speed, leaving you with more time to enjoy. Its endearing features, with a playful built-in smart screen displaying charging status expressions, it brings a touch of whimsy to your workspace. Featuring two USB-C ports and one USB-A port, it caters to a variety of devices without the worrying of overcharging, thanks to its temperature protection features. Beyond its functionality, the Nexode is built to last and exudes an irresistible personality, making it a must-have addition to any tech-savvy individual setup. While Google Maps may be a staple, globes still reign as stylish interior accents. Upgrade to the mesmerizing Flagus Levitation Globe for your desktop, a true showstopper. It hovers effortlessly in the air, rotating a full 360 degrees for up to 25 minutes with a gentle spin. Thanks to its intricate magnetic system, simply place the globe over the base and watch the captivating levitation effect unfold. Enhanced by a built-in lighting system, it adds extra flair, controllable with a simple touch. Plus, its multifunctional design includes a built-in pin holder, adding practicality and elegance to your workspace. Password Pocket, your offline, pocket-sized password manager ensuring top-notch security and seamless logins. It boasts military-grade encryption, detects phishing websites, and includes an encrypted notebook for sensitive information. With autofill for passwords and support for multiple platforms, accessing your data is effortless. Your information stays under your control, inaccessible to third parties. Plus, a backup and restore feature guarantees data security in case of device loss. With Password Pocket, enjoy peace of mind knowing your passwords and sensitive data are protected, making it a must-have tool for secure and convenient password management. The Egg Kimba Bluetooth speaker, a must-have for music enthusiasts on the move. Attach it to your phone's back if it's MagSafe compatible. If not, simply use the steel ring provided. Delight in its rich sound quality, making it feel twice its size. Pair to for stereo sound and select from 3 modes for an epic party, or use it as a stand while watching videos. With its portable design and versatile features, the Egg Kimba speaker ensures immersive audio experiences wherever you go, perfect for outdoor adventures or indoor gatherings. For those enamored with retro vibes, the Vivalumen's Bluetooth speaker offers irresistible charm. Elevate relaxation with its built-in air freshener, diffusing a soothing freesia scent. Additionally, the turntable serves as a night light, emitting soft yellow light for added ambience. With advanced Bluetooth technology, enjoy a robust connection and remarkably loud sound within a 32-foot range, whether unwinding at home or on the go. The Vivalumen speaker delivers a delightful blend of nostalgia and modern convenience, making it a must-have accessory for enhancing your listening experience. Picture a water bottle that goes beyond mere hydration, it's also your personal photographer. Meet the Anope water bottle, blending style with functionality. Crafted with double-wall stainless steel and vacuum technology, it keeps your drink frosty or steamy for up to 24 hours, but that's not all. It doubles as a phone stand, supporting both portrait and landscape modes, and can even accommodate larger gadgets like a 12.9-inch iPad. whether quenching your thirst or capturing memories. The Anope water bottle is your versatile companion for staying refreshed and entertained on the move. Prioritize safety on your next camping trip with the Tigris fire retardant mat. Lay it beneath your fire pit to create a protective barrier, enhancing safety and durability. Place wood or materials underneath to reduce bottom temperature for added effectiveness. Soak it in water before use. With heat resistance up to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit, it offers robust protection. Compact and easy to store, it's your outdoor companion for a safer and more enjoyable fire pit experience, whether camping or picnicking. Ensure safety and longevity with the Tigris fire retardant mat. If you're tired of keeping your cards under the phone case, I've got a solution for you. Introducing the Singimoru silicone card holder, a convenient accessory that attaches and detaches easily from your phone case. This secure holder accommodates 2 cards, ensuring they won't fall off when not needed. Plus, you can use the band as an extra grip. Say goodbye to the hassle of storing cards under your phone case and simplify your life with the Singimoru silicone card holder. If you ever find yourself needing to carry cash, consider the Dango Products MC01. This versatile gadget serves as a wallet capable of holding up to 80 bills, 50 under the metal clip and 30 under the silicone band. Additionally, it's equipped with loops for attaching keys or a lanyard. Whether storing cash, credit cards, or keys, the MC01 offers functionality and convenience in a compact design. Simplify your everyday carry and ensure you have all your essentials close at hand with the Dango Products MC01. Tired of rummaging through your bag for a power bank? Say no more. The Makaos power bank comes with a convenient carabiner clip, allowing you to attach it to your backpack for easy access, whether you're cycling or on the move. Simply pull out the cables secured with a magnet and plug in your device. With fast charging speeds of 20 watts and a 5000 mAh battery, it ensures your devices stay connected all day, and when it's time to recharge, just plug the power bank into any regular power source to give both your devices and the charger a boost. The Matador Droplet, a compact yet spacious 101-ounce bag that's perfect for carrying wet items or safeguarding your valuables from water damage. Made from water-resistant polyester and featuring a special silicone shell, it offers reliable protection against the elements. Despite its full-size capacity, it's conveniently compact, resembling the size of a keychain. The innovative drawstring closure ensures easy access to your belongings, making it a versatile and practical accessory for outdoor adventures, travel, or everyday use. Keep your essentials dry and organized with the Matador Droplet, your go-to solution for staying prepared in any weather. The Mecha wireless headphones, not just another funky pair of earbuds. With cutting-edge Bluetooth connectivity and low latency, enjoy superb vocals and clear audio, along with noise cancellation during calls. The built-in battery offers about 5 to 6 hours of playtime, ensuring uninterrupted listening pleasure. Plus, the stylish case, reminiscent of a cyberpunkish Eye of Sauron, doubles as a desktop decoration when placed on the included stand. Elevate your audio experience with the Mecha wireless headphones. combining sleek design with premium sound quality for immersive entertainment on the go. Wacom wireless earbuds, inspired by futuristic mecha designs. What makes them stand out? They offer both gaming and music modes for a truly immersive experience. And let's not forget the sleek case, it's undeniably awesome. With advanced Bluetooth technology and a comfortable fit, these earbuds are perfect for all-day wear. Whether you're gaming or enjoying your favorite tunes, the Wacom wireless earbuds deliver exceptional sound quality. So, why settle for ordinary when you can experience the extraordinary? Elevate your audio experience with Wacom wireless earbuds. The Prepared for X Compressed Towel Tablets, an ingenious solution for portable hygiene. Crafted from bamboo, these tablets offer a perfect size, durability, and minimal water requirement for unfolding. But wait, there's more. The waterproof capsule is a travel essential. Made from nearly indestructible metal with a waterproof twisted top. Perfect for keeping pills, money, or USB flash drives dry. It's compact and easily attachable to any carabiner or keyring. With these essentials on hand, you're prepared for any adventure. Whether it's staying dry or freshening up on the go,